Let's make Sapa pasta together while I share a story from one of our followers here on TikTok. And this is his true life experience. When I was younger, I was molested by our houseboy. I think I was around 8 years old. He would often stick his D in my ass anytime my parents were not around. I would cry and he would say I should not tell anyone. I was the only child in my family. This became my way of life till I turned 18. He kept molesting me for 10 years, and at some point, I started accepting and enjoying every bit of it. Throughout those 10 years, I never told my parents about it, and it was just between me and the house help. Our house help was about 15 years when I was 8. So when I finished secondary school, what I had with our house help came to an end because I got admission into the University of Nsukka while my parents were in Lagos. This is actually where things got worse for me. I started missing him and I was not comfortable one bit. And out in the real world, I could not tell anyone because that was something I think was not accepted by the society. I made friends in school and they all had girlfriends except me. I could not tell my friends I was not into girls because I would definitely lose them as friends and I just wouldn't stand the humiliation. During my second year in school, I was with my guys and they were talking about a guy in the final year who they all thought was gay. I was so invested in that conversation and I was happy because if truly he was gay, I would definitely go along with him. So I met up with this guy and I found out he is actually into guys. So we started seeing each other secretly. Soon, we started dating secretly. My guys out of nowhere started suspecting I was gay because they started making jokes about me that they don't see me hang out with girls or even join conversations when they are talking about girls. I stylishly told them that God forbid that I wasn't gay. I was just recently heartbroken by a girl even before coming to school. That's why I just avoid girls. I don't know if they actually believed me, but I just had to get a girlfriend, so they stopped thinking that. So I started to date this girl. It was the most difficult thing I have ever done in my entire life. She was actually a very, very nice girl, but the issue was that I wasn't attracted to her emotionally or even sexually. But I tried my best in acting like I did. Even when we want to make love, I would just imagine being with a man just to get a hard-on. I was dating this girl till I graduated. She was really sweet and nice. I had no reason to break up with her. We just had to break up because I graduated and I was going back to Lagos and there was no way it would work, coupled with the fact that I wasn't that into her emotionally. When I got back to Lagos, I was back to square one. Our house help was not around anymore. It became very hard for me and I started working at my dad's company. 5 years gone, my mother just started complaining that I should show her my girlfriend, that I am almost turning 30 and I have not shown her my girlfriend before, and don't I plan to get married early. I wasn't attracted to women at all and sometimes I hate it. I hate myself. I wish I was normal like everybody else. It's not like I didn't have girls in my life. It's just that I didn't see them in that way. Well, I still had the number of the girl I dated back in school, and if I would consider being with a girl, it just has to be her. That's if she isn't even married. I actually reached out to her and she was single, and surprisingly, she even stays in Lagos now. Omo, our video don't finish. Just like and follow so you no go miss part 2.